That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind. Ever since I was a little boy, I dreamed I would do something important in aviation. Mystery creates wonder, and wonder is the basis of man's desire to understand. History is a sequence of random events and unpredictable choices, which is why the future is so difficult to foresee. Knowledge is fundamental to all human achievements and progress. It is both the key and the quest that advances mankind. Shoot for the stars. But if you happen to miss, shoot for the moon instead. You've got to expect things are going to go wrong, and we always need to prepare ourselves for handling the unexpected. Man must understand his universe in order to understand his destiny. If you don't know who you are, a university is an expensive place to find out. I guess we all like to be recognized, not for one piece of fireworks, but for the ledger of our daily work. Well, I think we tried very hard not to be overconfident, because when you get overconfident, that's when something snaps up and bites you. A picture does a great job, but it's not nearly like being there. What are not easily stolen from you, without your cooperation, are your principles and your values. They are your most important possessions, and, if carefully selected and nurtured, will well serve you and your fellow man. I believe that the good Lord gave us a finite number of heartbeats, and I'm damned if I'm going to use up mine running up and down the street. It's a great thing for a man to walk on the moon, but it's a greater thing for God to walk on the earth.
Thank you for watching this video. Which quote did you like the most? Share your opinion in the comments. Don't miss out on a chance to see the next video. Please like and subscribe. Paramount Quotes.